Hear that? That's your oven doing absolutely nothing, because these no-bake Halloween brownies are spooky, chewy, and done in about 15 minutes. Let's go. I line an 888 pan with parchment, leaving little wings to lift later. In a big bowl, I dump a sleeve and a half of chocolate sandwich cookies, about 30. Crush them. Fist rolling pin whatever releases your inner monster. I want fine crumbs with a few chunks for bite. Now the glue one can sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, a splash of vanilla, a tablespoon of cocoa for extra oomph. Stir. It'll look thick, glossy, and a little rebellious. If it's too dry, a spoon more condensed milk. Too sticky, a handful more crumbs. You're the boss. Press it into the pan, edges, corners, all of it, using parchment or the bottom of a cup so it doesn't cling. Quick chill. Fridge for 5 to 7 minutes while I make it Halloween. Topping time. I melt a cup of chocolate chips with a teaspoon of oil until smooth. Pour, spread, and tap the pan so it settles. Before it sets, I rain on orange and black sprinkles, a zigzag of green icing, and a swarm of candy eyes. Big eyes, tiny eyes, make a crowd. Back into the fridge for another 5 minutes. When the top looks set but still sliceable, I lift the slab out and cut neat squares with a warm knife. Every slice stares back at you. Cute, creepy, delicious. Make a head tip. They hold in the fridge for 3 to 4 days, and you can swap cookies, gluten-free or sandwich-free if you need. No oven, no stress. Max Halloween. All right, your turn. Crush, mix, press, chill, decorate, devour. Tag me when your brownies start watching you back. Happy haunting and happy snacking.